Hello guys, and welcome everybody, welcome for those who are joining in here at home. It is our third challenge. We have 27 more to go. So today we're going to handle a special thing, a new challenge. So for those who are joining in, welcome. For those who are joining in from YouTube, welcome. From Facebook, welcome. If you have a question, remember to leave a comment, and also remember to share and subscribe. So thank you for joining in. Right. So having said that, let's go the deal of the day, to the business of the day. Alright, so here is our problem. Okay, so usually when you buy something, here is our problem, guys. Usually when you buy something, you are asked for your card number and phone number to answer your most secret question is still correct. However, since someone could look, since someone will be looking from your shoulder, you don't want to show them your screen. Instead, you mask it. So your task is to write a function Maskify, whichever way you'll pronounce it, which it will change the numbers in your card, or the digits of the number in your card into a hash, leaving the four last number. So, and here we've been given example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, and then what was the name of your first pet, Skippy. So it does not check if the input is a valid number or not. It just works on any input as long as it is a string. No, Batman. Hey, nice one. Even for space also. Alright, so here is our challenge. We're going to mask the number, the input number. So you mask all the remaining numbers, but leaving the last digit. Okay, so as usual, let's copy our problem. Here is our problem. Let's copy our problem. Then we paste it here in our compiler. Okay, so here is our problem. Okay, so there is our problem, and then let's copy our function so that just copy and paste. And now done. Okay, so usually when you buy something, you're asked whether your number, for your number, So while you are entering your number, someone could be looking from the behind, so we don't want that. So instead of that, instead we mask it. So we are asked to write a function that will change all the numbers and leave the last 4 characters. Okay, so let's define a number that will be tested. So let's input number B. Let us copy this one. So I will be using to built-in method to achieve this. I don't know if I should do it and explain it, or I should explain it and do it. So let me just explain it first, and then we'll proceed with the solution. So I'm going to use repeat method. So repeat into parentheses method of string value constructs and returns a new string which contains the specified number of copies of this string concatenated together. So if I take a happy, and then if I repeat it these times of number like 4 times and run it, so it duplicates it 4 times. So syntax: repeat detects count as a parameter. So is an integer between 0 and infinity, indicating the number of times to repeat the string. Return value: any string containing the specified number of copies of the given string. That is the value that is returned. So you can go through this from MDN Mamazola. Documentation is the best and most recommended. Okay, and I also use slice. So the slice method of array instances returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object selected from start to end not included, where start and end represent the index of items in that array. The original array will not be modified. So we have a couple number of examples here. So let me take let me give a name as an input. Mentor underscore Buteo at mentor underscore Buteo. That is my Instagram handle. Go and follow me. Okay, so from 2 it starts from EN 2 4, that's from 2, it ends from 4. 1 5 starts from 1, ends from 5, and then -2. Yo, 2 values from the end, then 2 -1, 2 -1, 2 -1. Okay, so 2 here is this, and then this one. Okay, so for the last one, if you don't enter anything, it clears the first I think 2 letters. Okay, so let me run here. Let me define it here. Dash method. So let's first name, define name. So let name is equal to attachment underscore buteo, and then let's log it. So console.log name dot slice, and then let's try one. Let's see what is the output. So it eliminates at so 1 5. Moment. So yeah, we can say then is index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 5. So it is 5 minus 1, and then it will be what? It will be 4. So index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, up to index 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Right. So let me try 2 from 2 or 1 negative 2. What will be the output? So it eliminates these 2, then it eliminates at 1. Okay, so that is basically it. Okay, let's try about the one. Then let's try slice. Repeat. What's not happening? So let's define mask. So let's mask value is equal to hash. So I want it to repeat itself how many times? 4 times. So log repeat so console log. So it is mask value that repeat how many times? 4 times. Let's see what will be our output. There we have a layer. Maskify is the syntax error. Syntax error. Yeah, so there we go. It's replicated it 4 times. So now we have 4 mask values. Okay, so I think basically you understand it. For those who haven't understood it, you can go and check it is documentation from MDN documentation. Now Mozilla, https developer.mozilla.org. You can go there and check their documentation is the most recommended, so you can go and check. Then I know what I'm trying to explain to you, so let's go back to solving the problem. Okay, so here we have our problem. Let me clear this. Okay, so there it is our input numbers, or let me call it credit card number. There is a credit card number. Right, so the one we have to check if what we have to check if the length of the input value is more than 4. So here it's our plan. Number 1, check the length of the input value. If more than 4, proceed. Not return that value, right? So that is basically our plan. So if the length this value is and 4, then we proceed. If not, we return that value, right? Okay, so far so good. So let's come here. So number 1, we need to replicate mask value. So we need to replicate it with the number of the remaining things when you subtract 4, the last 4. So let's mask value or mask characters is equal to, so I'm taking the value provided, or rather here is the value that I need to duplicate. So repeat. So I want to repeat it how many times? The length of that minus 4. Then after that, what else? Get the 4 last digits. So let the 4 last digits is equal to, so we take that value, then we slice it, the 4 last digits. So there is the 4 last digits. Then after there, return. Return a mask value. So return a mask plus. So let's concatenate it. digits. Oh, so far so good. I think so. I believe so. I know so. Okay. Let me